You ready for your quick marketing tip? Let's go. Hi there, it's Jake with The Wizard. And at The Wizard, we believe that digital marketing is as simple as doing a little bit every single day. It is a snowball down a hill type of marketing, and we believe that you can do it. So we're here to help you. We're going to give you a tip every single day going forward from here on out, all right? So let's start with the first tip that we're going to give you, and it's check your Google My Business listing. That's right. Your Google My Business listing at this point might be more important than your website. I know I just said it. It's true. Google is looking for your Google My Business listing to give a lot of signals about your activity and how you are reaching out with your local community. All right, it's what it's showing before it gets to your website in a Google search. So if you don't have one, you need to go get one right now because you're probably losing out on valuable search opportunities that you could be winning. Okay, if you do have one, go there now, make some updates. Google wants to know that you're improving your listing all the time to make sure that you're giving the best quality content to the community. Okay, so update your holiday hours, add a picture, reply to a review. We'll talk more about reviews later on, but for now, go ahead and reply to one, okay? So that's your tip for today. We want you to get out there, make it happen, grow your business. If you need a little bit of help, give us a call at The Wizard. Until tomorrow, have a good one. Bye-bye.